I think my girl Vanessier would love this. Oh my God. Is going to love this product too. Sorry, I can do that whole part again. Hey you guys, I'm gonna be showing you some of the products that all members can choose for the Spring 2021 FabFitFun box, so let's get started. First up, we have the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Face Mask and Mini Watermelon Brightening Face Serum. This is a face mask that you can use 2 to 3 times a week on dry or damp skin. So you're just going to apply an even layer, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're just gonna rinse it right away with some nice warm water. Ooh, it feels really nice and cooling, and it kind of looks a little bit like blush. So what I love about this is that it goes from stick to skin, so you're not wasting any product on your hands. You're gonna get every last drop of this product. And we also have vitamin C and E, which are going to fight free radicals. It also has Swiss Garden Cress Sprout Extract, which is going to reduce the appearance of those dark spots and just brighten that skin up. So the brightening serum has similar ingredients to the face mask. It's just gonna give you that hydrating glow. I love just kind of like putting this right underneath my eyes, dabbing it in, getting a little bit of a glowy pop. It is time to take a little staycation with the Alice and Olivia Daisy Print Duffel Bag. The daisy detail is so cute, very, very spring. My favorite part of this is this little lady. Look at her. I just think it's so whimsical and cute. And we've got this long crossbody strap, which is gonna be adjustable, so you can put it at whatever height you prefer. Or if you just wanna use your handles right there, nice and easy. It's really roomy inside, and we have a zipper compartment right here where you can put your phone and your smaller items. We also have these outside pockets that you can put anything that you might need to grab really easily. Whatever you want to put in here, this bag will carry it for you. And you can do it all in fashion. Now, if you guys love this print and you are just crazy about the daisies like I am, then definitely stay tuned to Shamira's customized close-up, because I think there's something you guys are really gonna like there. It is time for our next product, which is the Monroe Watches Classique watch. The movement is 3-hand quartz, and the case is stainless steel with a metal frame, and the strap is split genuine leather. So it comes with this little dust bag to keep it nice and clean anytime that you're not wearing it. And look at her. I love the coloring here, nice and neutral, but we've got the rose gold look with the gray straps. It's really gonna go with anything that you're gonna wear. The quality is actually really, really nice. I'm very, very impressed by this. I mean, when it comes to watches, like cheap watches, ain't nobody got time for that, okay? Comment down below, let me know, do you wear a watch? Are you gonna pick this? I'm kind of loving it. Next, we have the Jenny Kane Water Hyacinth Tray with cutout handles. I was like, yo, Trey, do you think you could buy me a bottle of rosé? No, really, like, where is my rosé? Rosé, please. I don't know who I'm calling to. I'm literally by myself. I am obsessed with this because it is both functional and decorative. It's also very, very sturdy. You can use this to serve up snacks. You can place it on your dining table, kind of decorate it, put a little candle there. Literally, you could use this baby for anything that you want to. I love the home decor pieces in our FabFitFun boxes, so this is definitely something that I'm gonna be having my eye on. Next up, we have the Tech Candy UV Sanitizer. I'm thinking of this as like a little tanning bed for my phone, but all it does is it actually cleans it. This device uses UVC light, which is actually going to kill germs. We all know that our phones, they kind of pick up a lot of dirt and grime and germs and things that we definitely don't want on our hands and on our faces. Let's not do that. The way to use this baby is you are going to plug in the USB cord that comes with it into any power source, and then from there we're going to open it up, place in your phone, and we're just gonna place that in there, close it, press this button. We're gonna leave it in there for 5 minutes. Control yourself so that you don't get tempted to open it up and see if you got a text message from your crush, and then it'll automatically shut off. We open it up. Oh my God, we're so happy. We got a text from our crush, but now we get to turn it over. place it inside, wait for another 5 minutes so we don't text him back too soon. And it's got plenty of room there, so you could have a little bit larger of a device. And then also it's got these little bristles at the bottom, so it can actually go straight through. And if you don't want to use the USB cord, it also works with AAA batteries. We have the Short Stories LED Indoor Planter. This is the perfect item if you are like me and your green thumb is more like a black thumb and you're not very good at growing plants. This is going to be a little lifesaver. So all you're gonna do is set it right up and then place your soil right in here and your seeds or seedlings. From there, you're going to plug it in to any power port. These LED lights right underneath are going to work their magic. They're gonna help your little seedlings grow. So then we're just gonna maintain our plants as usual, put in our water and make sure that they're still staying alive, like ha, ha. If at any time you think that they don't need any more light there and you're ready to turn it off, then you can just press the button right here and those LED lights will just shut right off. The cool thing is if you pick this for your box and you are in the US, it's gonna come with a little pack of basil seeds to get you started. You can grow houseplants, you can grow any herbs that you might want, and even some vegetables will work in here too. This is the Perricone MD Essential FX Acylglutathione Rejuvenating Moisturizer. This is a super hydrating, fast absorbing, and firming daily moisturizer. This consistency is really nice. You're just gonna massage this into your skin in an upward motion. I like to bring it all the way down my neck and work it up and all the way around. And especially because it is fast absorbing, you can use it both morning and night. It smells a little bit floral. It's a subtle scent, so it's not gonna be too overwhelming for you. This also contains vitamin F, which is going to repair your skin's moisture barrier. As we're coming off of those winter months, and we really want to like deep dive back into that hydration, this is definitely going to be the product for you and really repair that skin as we're heading into spring. Acylglutathione is also an antioxidant, so it's going to really reduce the appearance of those fine lines and wrinkles. It also has flaxseed, chia seed, and macadamia seed oils to help create that beautiful glow. Let's get into our throwbacks for this season. If you would like to pick them, we have the Shoshana umbrella. It has this really, really cute floral print that some of you guys may remember. It also has a ruffled detailing, very girly and feminine. It also comes with a matching sleeve, adorable detailing here. It says, "Don't rain on my parade," and you better not rain on my parade, okay? My producers would like me to open this right now, but honestly, I cannot handle the bad luck, so I'm gonna go outside really quick and come right back. All right, we did it, and we've got all good luck from here. We have the CalPak packing cubes in sorbet. You may remember these from my vacation with Liam Hemsworth. Unfortunately, the plans fell through. It was completely due to COVID and not at all related to the fact that he doesn't know that I exist. I'm already starting to pack in my packing cubes, which have this adorable ombre, nice sunny little print there. They've got mesh detailing right here so that you can see everything that's in your packing cubes. We've got 3 different sizes, and all 3 of them have these handles so that you can like reach right into your suitcase or your backpack and then pull out the packing cube that you need. Really, really helps with organization. It's how I keep all of my items separate from Liam's. We've got a large, a medium, and a small. The large one, definitely gonna put in your bigger items like pants or your jackets, anything like that. Medium, then we can put in like our t-shirts, shorts, anything like that. And then this small one, I would put in underwear, socks, bathing suits, any of those smaller items. But you can really do it whatever way floats your boat. All right, you guys, that is it for this category. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that if you are not a member yet, you are signing up at fabfitfun.com, and comment below and tell us what you're picking. I am obsessed with this tray, and I know that my girl Vanna Sear is going to love this product too.
Thanks, Tasha. I love it so much. I can't wait to put a candle on this. It's so cute.
Make sure that you guys are staying tuned because Vanna Sear's video is gonna be coming up next. So don't miss it, and we will see you soon.